Hi, I'm Patrick, Event Director for CWIEME. Welcome to CWIEME Berlin. Here at CWIEME we can find solutions for the whole supply chain. From transformer and motor components to laminations and coil winding systems, we truly serve the whole supply chain of the electrical engineering community. Here at CWIEME we have two stages. We have the central stage and the e-mobility stage. In addition to product launches and theatre sessions, you can enjoy our beer gardens, where you can network with colleagues, sit down with new partners and enjoy a beer in the sunshine. One of the main things that came up this year was innovation, and that's why we launched the Startup Zone behind me, to bring innovative companies from all over the world here to CWIEME to showcase their solutions. In addition to that, we also launched the Future Engineering Programme and the Women in Engineering Programme to create a more diverse community across the electrical engineering division. CWIEME is truly the global home of coil winding and electrical manufacturing. We bring together more than 6,000 visitors and over 600 exhibitors to network and find solutions for their future business needs.